So in this tutorial I'll show you how to transfer money Exness to another Exness account. So this is my one of Exness account and I have a 131.80 USDT, you see. So I want to transfer this money to my another Exness account. So press on this icon and press on transfer, and then you have to select between your account or another account. So this is my another account, so I have to choose to another user. Now you can see my different IB account. So I want to transfer money from this IB account, so I am selecting this one, and you have to put your account number, make sure no space, and then you have to enter your email address as well, and you have to select the transfer region. I am selecting the gift, and now you have to put the dollar amount, press on continue, and you have to press on confirm again. Now check your registered phone number. Exness will send a code. You need to check it your message, or if you have WhatsApp, then you can also check it via WhatsApp. So by my notification is coming. Press on confirm, and now you can check your view history, and you have to wait at least 1 minute to complete the transaction. This is the transaction, and it's shown the processing. So I am waiting, and now I will check my different account, and it's shown done now. So let's check my account, it's actually transfer or not. So this is my account. You have to press on transaction history, and this is the account number, and it's done. So it's an instant process. So this is how you can easily transfer money Exness to Exness another account, or in your account. So if video helpful, please thumbs up and do subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in comment section below. And if you want to create new Exness account, you can check my description and my comment section, and if you need any help, feel free to ask in comment section below. Have a good day. Thank you very much.